Hey, what's going on? Matt from Forever Forex, and I wanted to shoot a quick video just showing a 15-minute Forex scalping strategy. So I'm going to show you a simple indicator. It creates very easy to use buy and sell entry points. So it tells you exactly when to get into the market. So this is a perfect indicator system and strategy for beginning traders that are looking for just a good entry point and know where to take their profits, or if you've been struggling with consistency. So if you've been trading for a while and your equity curve just goes up and down, you can't really seem to grow any accounts, then this could be a good fit for you, help you grow your account, kind of regain that consistent growth of your equity. It works on the 15-minute, the 5-minute, and the 1-minute. So it is more for scalping rather than swing trading. Now, I do want to show you on the 15-minute so you can hold these trades a little bit longer. I personally still just say go for like 20 pips, maybe 40 pips on the 15-minute. But what I wanted to do is really just scan a couple pairs. I'll show you how simple it is to use this indicator. And if you think it'd be a good fit, I'll leave a copy or I'll leave a link in the description. You can just go grab yourself a copy, start trading with it. None of these signals repaint, so once it fires off the signal, it's there, so you can easily see winning and losing trades. You can do your own back testing, and just wanted to show you some trades that you could have taken on this thing in the last couple, I guess, week or so, right? So I'm on EJ, 15 minutes. There's two different options. You could see the blue bands here. When it turns yellow, that's a sell entry, so you could simply just get in the trade. You're going to get in right here at the close of that candle. You would put your stop just above here, so about an 18 pip stop. Like I said, just go for 20 pips. It went 26 pips, so right there you would have taken profit. I highly recommend you just take the first entry. There are going to be times where you get chopped out. I'm not saying this is a holy grail indicator by any means, but it's going to help you spot good entries into the market. The other way you can take it is wait for the optimal entry, which are these diamonds. Now it fires off a little bit lower, right? And it still gives you some pips, right? You got 17 pips, so it wouldn't have made it to your 20 marker. But it's just a little bit of a safer entry. I still prefer the first entry. But let's just keep going. You would have got a first entry here. Could have got 20 pips, it went 30. But you see how the optimal entry came in here. This was a perfect optimal entry. Put your stop below it. Literally still going, 99 pips and running. You could have taken it to these highs right here, or you could have just taken your 20 pips and been done. If you take these signals, this would have been a losing trade. So you could see you would have got in right there. You would have lost about 20 pips. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 trades, this one easily won. This one right here just crushed it. 45 pips. So out of 4 trades, you lost 1 on this. So you can see you're up. As long as you use good money management, the stop losses are generally under 20 pips. You're going for 20 pips. So it's a 1-to-1 risk reward. You won 75% of these trades over this time frame. And I'll just scan a couple pairs. It does work on anything on MT4. So if you want to trade gold, indices, cryptos, really whatever your broker is going to allow you to trade, you can do it. This went 26 pips. When it shoots off this high, I would probably actually skip these trades or wait for the pullback. You see how it's 50 pip. I would either skip that or wait for the pullback. It did get you the 20 pips, so you would have got that there. Wait for the optimal entry, crushed it. Again, you would have lost. This is very similar to EJ. A lot of these pairs are going to fire at similar times. But you can see, boom, 35 pips. Huge down. Boom, right here. Oh, by the way, these green boxes are the New York session. So I highly recommend trading in the New York session or the London session. Asian session is just a little quieter, so it doesn't move as much. maybe drop down to the 5 minute or even the 1 minute to take your trades. But it's going to be a little choppier because it's going to range more often. But you get these nice pushes in the New York and the London session. So 56 pips. Let me show you some other ones. And again, this is on the 15 minute. So you can see how high this is. Really wouldn't take that trade with a 72 pip stop. So you got to wait till it comes back. Take the bounce. You would have lost this trade. My favorite time frame to trade this is the 5 minute. This one, you could have got 40 pips. But it does work. I mean, this thing works well. 30 pips. This one right here, look at this. This is a perfect trade. Pulls right back into the zone. 50 pips. Let's look at gold, see how it did this last week. I don't really trade gold, but look at that. I mean, it just crushed it. Gold actually had really, really nice moves. So boom, you're in here. Went down. Was that 3,000 pips? Nice optimal entry. That was awesome. 2 easy trades there. Let's see what else. If you wanted to trade oil, see what oil looks like. See, taking the optimal entry is going to weed out all this chop. You see how that optimal entry, you entered here, had your stop up here, crushed it. Again, going up, got those points. But you see, you get chopped out in the range if you take the first entry. I don't trade oil, but works on Bitcoin as well. See what Bitcoin looks like. Look at that move up. Even on the move down, you could have scalped some points. Again, I wouldn't hold this. I wouldn't hold these things for that long. I would just get in. I mean, after these 2 big pushes, boom, I'd be done. I would probably have been done after this push right here. But so it does work on Bitcoin if you want to trade that. Like I said, it works on anything your MT4 provider. I highly recommend you trade pairs that move. I would stay away from any of the Swiss pairs. They just don't move very well. But you can see, just by scanning a lot of these pairs, how easy it is to get in, grab 20 pips, and get out. All right, even right here. You could have got in on the pullback, 30 pips. Come down here, get in on the pullback, 77 pips. So like I said, if this indicator makes sense, if you think it can help you with your trading, it does work on the 5 minute, the 15, and the 1. I would stick to the 5 or the 15 minute until you get the hang of it. And then you could jump to the 1 minute, get some more precision. But it's probably not going to go 20 pips. I'd probably only scalp like 10 pips if that was the case. But hopefully you got some value out of this. If you have any questions, hit me up in the Facebook group. Grab a copy of this Forex Scalping Onyx for yourself. Try it out. Let me know how it goes for you. Happy trading.